this piece I haven't named yet. I painted it based on a supernatural experience I had a year and a half ago, where I woke up as if from sleep paralysis, but I was floating and I saw this face, and it was like an old woman, like a crone, and she had this wispy look, and almost like behind her was purplish black. Like she had a certain color scheme, but she was still in the room. And I had woken up in the middle of a dream, basically, and I was floating above my bed. So this experience, I was trying to remember how it felt, and it didn't quite feel bad, like a bad entity, and it didn't quite feel like a good one, but it overall felt like it was beneficial, but it was just kept pushing me up and up and up and up, and she was smiling, she was laughing, and she had like crazy eyes. So it was seemingly evil, or seemingly, I don't know, like she was getting some pleasure out of it somehow, but it was the most amazing feeling that I had ever felt in my life, just feeling free. You know, what it must feel like without your body. I was basically outside of it. So trying to make sense of this experience, I decided to take it to the canvas and just basically reproduce that until I get it right, until I get it accurate to how I saw it, because that left such a huge impression on me. I still wonder about it. So this is an illustration board, and I love using acrylic paint. I love piling things on, a lot of texture. So I used a lot of thick paint, which this absorbs it, but so it was more for play. But her hair was very wispy. This is based on a true story. See, up, 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 that feeling of up. Her face. She was older, seemingly older. And these were the colors that I was experiencing, how it felt. Alright, well, this is it. It may be called Up, but maybe not. I'll have to meditate on it and create more like this so I get closer and closer to the actual image that I saw, and I can't wait to show you. This is Sandy Wissinger, an artist for Art Mama Moves, on a weekly show called 100 Mondays that you could watch on YouTube. The channel is called 100 Mondaze Weekly Show. You can also watch it on the Art Mama Moves website, which is our online art gallery. We have many different artists that have art on there, so anything you want. See if you can find anything that you like. I'll talk to you guys later. See you next week.